Oh, look at that. So good. Looking forward to doing this clean, that's for sure. Not. Should have brought another bottle. How are you supposed to clean in there, man? Look at those rocks. Rough. Yeah, someone might yell at me for just spraying everything with degreaser, but this is like tar from the roads, freshly tarred roads with stones on them. Look at this, it's on the exhaust and everything. I took it to Cycle Treads. The guy had taken the back wheel off to redo the tyres. It was like, oh, it took a whole plate full of rocks out. There's still so many in there. That's really the bulk of the disgustingness. Thanks for watching. Beautiful. Onto a can of pen right now. Ooh, look at that little stone in there, mate. Ah, that got me in the face. Nice. Look at that stone in there, man. Just keeps getting worse the deeper you go. Oh, it's already looking much, much better. It's just the stuff in here, these rocks and stuff, man. It's so hard to get to. Yeah, getting there, getting there. I feel like every New Zealander has this. You see them everywhere.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Will he clean that spot sitting right there on the swing arm? That same swing arm with the same spot that he's neglected many times already? Will he take the time to quench my urges and ensure that that filthy swing arm is freed from all visible, disgusting, tar-ridden debris? Well, have I got a treat for you?
No feet for you. You gotta subscribe to my other page for that. One last thing, bit of WD-40 on the exhaust, on the rag, little wipe down. Now after a wash, let the bike idle, get any excess water, and